How to shut down an iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to customize, control, and secure your devices. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, and manage your apps and notifications. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. General manages overall setup and preferences like software updates, language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. In the General menu, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Shut Down. You will then be taken to the Power Off screen. To turn off your device, simply slide the power icon at the top of the screen from left to right. Following these steps, you can easily shut down an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.